What's up, guys? Mr. Hadnot checking in with you. On this episode, my wash machine kicks the bucket. Special order parts came in next day air. It's the water, the pump. This is the part number. It's the pump assembly. It's at the bottom here. And remember last month I had to take the doggone dryer apart because it stopped drying. Things I'm gonna tell you, it says 10-year warranty, but you got to read the fine print, guys. It's only for the motor. Everything else is designed to fail around it. Just let you guys know, this is an LG wash and dryer setup. Fix the dryer. Now I gotta fix the washer. Similar procedure, but now since these are stackable, I have to unscrew the mechanism here, the bracket, to take the dryer off and somehow put the dryer back on. All right, so let's get started. Safety first. Unplug all your accessories from behind the appliances, such as your hoses and your electrical plugs. Okay, guys, you're gonna remove the front mounting bracket and the two screws that held up this leg, and this leg will slide. These back legs will slide forward. Okay. Sign hold this just like that. Guys, don't try that at home. All right, remove these brackets here. Look like this. Go on like that. It's 3 screws. One on this one side and one on that side. And I believe you got to take this off. This is part of the bracket that held the dryer on top of the washer. All right, guys, pull this out. Press down, it says push. And it slides out. Set that to the side. All right. You don't have to take this off, the bracket. It just slides. You see the top slides back, and take the top completely off. And then we'll come in and take the circuit board off. While my son is cleaning the top, I removed one screw right here, and you see these little tabs. Carefully pull these tabs. Get you like a flathead screwdriver, and push these tabs out, and this circuit board should come out. Also, before you do that, take these the wire harness apart from the connectors, just like that. You push in and you pull out, similar to car connectors. Okay, there's 2 screws here, one right here and one over there. Once you unscrew that, the rest of this circuit board tabs should just press out, and you can pull the whole circuit board out, just like so. Set that to the side. Now we got to work on the front part of the getting this dryer cover, the door and stuff off. there is a spring around here. Let me open this up and show you. There's a spring around this rubber gasket. It's going to be the hardest part, putting it on and taking it off. Take your screwdriver. Now just pull it on the spring. This pops out. Put it over to the side, son, over there. Make sure you don't knock the screws off. And this can be pushed back like so. All right. The pump, as you can see, well, you can't really see. Let me take this door off and then we'll go from there. The pump is right down there. And there's one more wiring harness. It's right here. Make sure you pull that. Now your pump is right in here. Okay. Let's take that pump off and put the new one in there. It was a booger, but getting to the part is half the battle. So let's drive on. All right, guys, there's 3 of these holding down this pump. There's 2, one right here, and then one on the back side of this. They're threaded into some plastic inserts. Give a shout out to Aiden. He's a real MVP this morning. His big brother's still in the bed asleep. And we've been up since about 6. We're 41 minutes into, you can't see that, 41 minutes into this dryer. We got all these parts spread out and labeled. And he's doing a good job helping me. So get out there and get your sons. If you have sons, get your sons out there helping, and they'll appreciate you. All right, let's compare the new part and the old part. All right. We're going to take this cover off and compare parts. All right, guys, this is the new one. As you can see, I'm twisting. It's resistance. This is some resistance. That's how it's supposed to be from the factory. This is the one that was the original one that was in the washer. See that play? It's supposed to be that much play in it. If I can do this, if you can do this, it's bad. And this is your problem. Your water is not draining. Once again, look at that resistance. All right. Now it's time to put the old part in. Everything checks out. You can see here. Numbers match up. All right. This one came on 8/15/2015. Or I guess it's what that means. But anyway, all the writings match up. The main numbers you need to worry about is this right here, the product number. Okay? And I'm going to give you a link to the description where I bought these parts from. Or this part, it's just only one part. All right. Are you learning something, or are you going to call the repairman? You learning something? All right. It's probably, like I said, we are 50 minutes in. Probably a 2-hour job. Or maybe even an hour job for a repairman. This is my first time doing this. It's always a learning experience. And I appreciate all the men in my life and the people I watch on YouTube for just inspiration on how to put stuff back to repair stuff and put stuff back together. All right.